If you're a homeowner in Eagle, Idaho, you know how important it is to have a comfortable, energy-efficient, and visually appealing living space, especially with the area's fluctuating seasons and stunning natural light. One of the most effective upgrades you can make to enhance your home's comfort and aesthetics is investing in professional window installation. Modern window technology has evolved dramatically in recent years, offering solutions that do far more than just fill a wall opening. From reducing drafts to brightening your living space, here's how window installation in Eagle can significantly improve both your indoor comfort and natural lighting. Say goodbye to drafts and hotspots. Old or poorly installed windows can cause uncomfortable temperature imbalances throughout your home. Drafty frames in winter and overheated interiors in summer are common complaints among homeowners with outdated windows. With professionally installed, energy-efficient windows, you benefit from tightly sealed frames that prevent air leaks, insulated glass with low-E coatings to reflect heat in the summer and retain warmth in the winter, improved thermal performance that reduces hot or cold zones indoors. This means fewer cold drafts near the couch in winter, more even temperatures, and reduced reliance on your heating and cooling systems. More natural light without the heat. Natural light is one of the most desirable features in a home, but older windows often come with a downside: excess heat and UV exposure. With new window installation, you can enjoy beautifully sunlit rooms without the drawbacks. Today's window technology includes low emissivity, low-E, glass coatings that block harmful UV rays, double or triple pane designs that reduce solar heat gain, and larger, clearer glass panes that maximize your view and natural light. These innovations make it possible to enjoy sunny, inviting rooms without the heat, helping you make the most of Eagle's picturesque surroundings and bright days. Quiet, peaceful indoor environments. Homes in busy neighborhoods or near traffic often suffer from excessive noise. Fortunately, modern windows offer improved sound insulation that helps create a calm, quiet living space. Benefits include thicker glass panes that absorb exterior noise, gas-filled spacers that minimize sound vibration, and tighter seals and frames that eliminate gaps where noise enters. Whether it's barking dogs, passing vehicles, or nearby construction, a quality window installation will help keep the noise out and the peace in. Customized light control and room ambience. With the wide range of window styles and designs available today, you can choose installations that help you control the lighting and mood in every room. For example, install larger picture windows in living areas to enhance daylight. Use transom or clearstory windows to add height and light without sacrificing privacy. Choose operable windows for airflow and fresh air during Eagle's breezy spring and fall months. This level of customization means you can fine-tune how much light each space receives, creating a more pleasant and livable environment throughout your home. Lower energy bills year-round. Professionally installed windows don't just improve comfort, they also help reduce your energy bills. With better insulation and advanced sealing technology, your HVAC system won't need to work as hard to keep your home at the right temperature. What you'll notice: lower monthly heating and cooling costs, consistent indoor temperatures, long-term energy savings that make the investment worthwhile. In a climate like Eagle's, where temperatures can fluctuate dramatically, energy-efficient windows are one of the best upgrades for lasting cost savings. Final thoughts: bring comfort and light into your home. Whether you're upgrading an older home or building a new one, professional window installation in Eagle is a smart investment that enhances indoor comfort, boosts energy efficiency, and maximizes natural light. When you choose high-quality windows and trusted local installers, you're not just improving your home, you're transforming how it feels to live in it every day. Let the light in and keep the discomfort out, with windows built to make your home more beautiful, efficient, and enjoyable.